Forest conservation is a crucial issue that requires a lot of planning and action. In this tutorial, we will explore how we can use the future simple tense to talk about planning forest conservation initiatives. One way we can use the future simple tense is to talk about future intentions and plans. For example, we will plant 1,000 trees next month to restore the forest ecosystem. This sentence expresses a clear plan for the future. By using the future simple tense, we can convey our commitment to taking action to protect our forests. Another way we can use the future simple tense is to make predictions about the future outcomes of our conservation efforts. For instance, if we continue to cut down trees at this rate, the forest will disappear in 5 years. This sentence uses the future simple tense to talk about a potential consequence of our actions. By making such predictions, we can emphasize the importance of conservation initiatives and the need for immediate action. We can also use the future simple tense to talk about future possibilities and hypothetical situations. For example, if we implement stricter regulations, we could save the forest from further destruction. This sentence uses the future simple tense to discuss a potential course of action and its potential impact on the environment. By exploring such possibilities, we can inspire others to join us in our conservation efforts. In conclusion, the future simple tense is a valuable tool for planning and discussing forest conservation initiatives. By using this tense, we can express our intentions, make predictions, and explore possibilities for the future of our forests. It is essential that we continue to use the future simple tense to advocate for the protection of our forests and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.